Welcome to the NEXUS Arena Combat System, where chaos meets strategy in a visually stunning arena combat game, featuring endless variety, deep lore integration, and immersive sandbox combat. In NEXUS, you'll take on the role of a lanista, commanding your fighter, called a helot, in brutal arena battles for fame and fortune. But this isn't your typical skirmish game, because these helots don't always listen. With an innovative ratio die and command points mechanic, every instruction you give your helot is a calculated risk, requiring quick thinking and adaptability. In the heat of battle, you'll face hazards and obstacles that demand split-second decisions and a little bit of luck. And just like real combat, victory often goes to the one who can think on their feet. But it's not just about reacting. It's about outsmarting your opponents and seizing every opportunity to win over the crowd. So gather your friends, sharpen your wits, and test your mettle in tabletop's most chaotic showdown, the NEXUS Arena Combat System. Motivated by violence, fueled by dice.